Alpine and Signatech have partnered to create the most extreme A110 ever for the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb on June 25th. This bespoke version of the A110, known as the A110 Pikes Peak, is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and engine design, with nearly 500 horsepower and a weight of just 950 kilograms. Among the most notable features are the pronounced splitters, deflectors, and imposing rear wing that generate downforce to tackle the 156 corners of the course. This one-off model boasts several unique design elements, including Le Mans-style shark fin on the rear window, aggressive light treatments, and bespoke wheels. These design choices maintain eligibility for the Time Attack 1 category while still delivering a visually striking vehicle. Raphaël Astier, the 2022 FIA R-GT Cup winner, will be the driver for the Pikes Peak Challenge. The A110 Pikes Peak's turbocharged 1.8-liter engine produces nearly 500 horsepower, a significant increase from the road-going version's 296 horsepower. Alpine has also managed to further reduce the vehicle's weight to 2,094 pounds, 950 kilograms, making it lighter than the Mazda MX-5 990S Special Edition launched in Japan in late 2021. The Alpine A110 Pikes Peak will undergo 2 additional evaluations in southern France before heading to Colorado Springs for the challenging event. Astier will participate in a test session in the Drôme region and at Val Thorens, followed by final preparations in Colorado Springs with the team. This extreme version of the A110 might pave the way for the sports car to be offered in the United States. Parent company Renault is currently in discussions with auto dealer group AutoNation to sell the A110 in the U.S. market. The joint effort between Alpine and Signatech to develop the A110 Pikes Peak demonstrates a commitment to pushing the limits of design and performance. As the team prepares for the iconic Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, motorsport enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the results of this ambitious challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.